Okay, this is going to be levels 2 and 3 for partitioning line segments. This time we are finding coordinates. So to find x, we still use the same formula, k times x2 minus x1 plus x1. And then for y, we'll use k times y2 minus y1 plus y1. Remember that if the ratio is given to you A to B, this is part to part, and to find K, we do A over A plus B, because we always want our fraction to be part over whole. So watch the wording. Okay, number 1, given segment AB with A located at coordinates 3, -1, and B with coordinates 8, 14, if point P lies on AB such that the ratio of AP to AB is 2/5. Find the coordinates of P. So let's first decide, is this part to part or part to whole? Because it's giving us the fraction already. So AP, if point P is on AB, then this is part, and then AB is the whole thing. So K is given us already part to whole, so we don't need to add anything, it's just 2/5. Now, it's saying that point P lies on AB such that the ratio is 2/5. So if it's giving us AB, A is going to be our first point and B is going to be our second point. So let's label A as x1, y1, and B as x2, y2. So now we just use the formulas and plug in all of those values. So for my x coordinate, K is 2/5. x2 is 8. x1 is 3, so 8 minus 3 plus 3. So now let's see what x is. So this ends up being 2 plus 3 equals 5. So our x value is 5. Now let's find y. y2 is 14. minus y1 is -1 plus -1. Okay, so now we have 2 over 5. 14 minus -1 is 15 minus 1. 30 over 5. So this is going to be 6 minus 1 is 5. So the y value is also 5. So point P is at the coordinates 5, 5. Okay, now let's do one where we're given a ratio, not in the form of a fraction. So A is at 9, 5, B is at -7, 1, and the ratio is 3 to 1. So first let's label this AP to PB. So that's telling us that A is 0.1 and B is 0.2. Okay, so A will be labeled x1, y1. B will be labeled x2, y2. And then we have A to B. So we calculate K, which is A over A plus B. So K is 3 over 4. So to find the x value, we have 3 over 4 times x2, which is -7, minus x1, which is 9, plus 9. So x is -3. Let's solve for the y coordinate. y2 is 1 minus y1, which is 5, plus 5. So y is 2. So point P is at -3, 2. So the important thing is remembering when it's giving you part to part. So this one is giving you AP to PB, that's part to part. In the first example, it was giving you part to whole with K already given to you.